Dear Cal State University Long Beach Admission Committee, this is Xu Zhao. I'm from China. Now I live in Moscow and study in University of Idaho. I have the pleasure of applying for the master project of accountant at California State University Long Beach. I want to develop my language skill, communication skill, and computer skill in the university. The very important reason why I want to attend Long Beach because this is the beautiful beach in this city, and California State University have the low cost of tuition. After this summer, I will finish my bachelor degree in University of Idaho. Then I want to take a master project in your university. I hope I can continue to study in Long Beach. I prefer to analyze managerial accounting and financial accounting in these 2 years and pass AICPA and CMA tests in the future. After I graduate, I will start the 1 or 2 years internship in America. Then I may go back to China living with my family and work in there.